So, placement arrangement. Um, we have a lot of room and a lot of space in the school. There are about 5 offices that could be used for maybe the shelter manager, different services, so health services, mental health services, spiritual, and leaders, so that people know where to go. There is a reception area and a faculty workspace that can be used as the check-in or registration area for when people are coming into the shelter. There are many classrooms that can be converted or used for sleeping as rooms. Sleeping arrangements, we can try to keep families together, and then boys will sleep with boys and girls will sleep with girls, but those their age. Accommodations can be made for pets. There's a lot room for storage, recreation area, extra room for sleeping. They have a gymnasium, which could also be, beds can be spread out and it can be used as more sleeping space. And some of the classrooms, I think we had about 29 classrooms, we can have some of them be used for as private spaces for those with special needs. So our elderlies, family with young children, those who are injured, or individuals who are in isolation.